Hi friends, if you want to build your resume for free, then this video is for you. Today in this video, I will tell you about a most popular platform where you can access 1000 plus resume templates for free and you can customize them according to your need or requirements. So for making your resume, open your Canva, search Canva in your browser. Now you will think that Canva is paid, then how we can access those templates for free. So don't worry guys, I have uploaded a video on same channel in which I have explained how to get Canva for free. So if you want to get Canva for free, then please watch that video. I will provide the video link in description. Please check out that video. And after getting your pro account, click create a design, click on resume, here you can see there are lots of resume templates. You can choose according to your requirements. Choose any one of these templates and customize according to your need. You can easily customize them. It is very easy to use. Zoom the resume and start customizing. And for downloading, click on share. Here you got the download option. Click on download. Choose the format, in which format you want to download. Here you can choose the format JPG, PNG, PDF, PDF print, SVG. There are lots of format. Click on download. Here downloading is started. And the PDF is downloaded. So if this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.